Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Doing?
Alhamdulillah. Long time no see, man.
Yeah, after a long time, I can see you. It's a very peaceful moment for me.
What are you doing now?
Right now, I'm at English Fantasy and I'm learning English from them, and that's why I have come here.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yeah, right now I'm a student of English Fantasy, and I have come here for learning English to enhance my English volume. That's why I have come here.
Oh, okay. But in Bangladesh, in Dhaka city, there are so many English language coaching centers. But why did you choose this?
Okay. But first, I want to mention you that you cannot compare with the others coaching center, English Fantasy. So they are providing a lot of facilities and they are teaching us within a short time. It will take 2 months only. But I think that you didn't see this type of coaching center in your areas in this country. So I think that this coaching center is the best coaching center in Bangladesh, and that's why I chose this coaching center. And they will teach us, and all teachers are very friendly, and their teaching method is really awesome. And that's why I will say that you cannot compare with the others coaching center to English Fantasy, and that's why I chose it.
Okay. Oh, okay. What is your future plan, man?
Yeah, I have a future plan, and before 3 or 4 months, I already mentioned you that what is my future plan. No problem. I am saying you again that I want to go abroad, and for that I have come here. And my future plan is to be a businessman because I want to be a rich person. And if you ask me that why, then I will say that Bangladesh has a lot of hopeless and helpless people, and I really want to do something for them, and that's why I chose it as my future goal. So I really want to do something for them, and when I will go abroad, that time I will stay there 6 or 7 years, and after that I will come back again in Bangladesh and I will create my own business. Okay, so and that time I will have a lot of money. That time I can help the hope a lot of job sector for the jobless people.
That's great. Okay. Today, I have an intention to admit English fantasy. How can I get them?
Yeah, you can contact with me and the authority, and when you will come to English Fantasy, and that time you can talk with them and you can admit there very easily, and the process is very easy. It's like a piece of cake. You can simply admit here.
Is it so expensive?
No, it's not very expensive because they are providing a lot of facilities. That's why it's a normal price.
Okay.
So you can.
Okay.
And finally, okay. So thank you very much.
Catch you later.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.